Hey guys, it's back with your boy TH, and today, as for the title, we're gonna be showing you.
Oh fuck! Oh crap! Okay, there.
As you read the title, I'm gonna be showing you my new fidgets, and it's also, as you can see, new stuff has happened to me. My hair. Don't have my perm anymore. So this is one. Stuff is still coming in. It's a blue and green simple dimple. ASMR. There we go. Second thing is this Galaxy and YouTube. You know, third, rainbow puppet. But again, guys, I'll be back for a sec. Well, wait, no, never mind. I'll just do it really quick. There, rainbow puppet. As you heard, the not the loud side. So this is the loud side. And this is the quiet side. And American puppet, kind of hard to pop. This is a quiet side. I know it's pretty loud for a quiet side. There. This is the loud side. This loud side is pretty loud. Yep, and that is all my fidgets. So, all my new fidgets, more is going to be coming, so part 3 is going to happen. No, part 2. But, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hopefully my mom and dad will, get my GoPro hooked up, so we can go underwater with you guys and also do better vids. So, I'm sorry if you don't like my vids, but it's okay. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye.